Once the dive site has been reached and prepared, it is of course time for our dive. The water temperature is around 8 degrees Celsius or 46 degrees Fahrenheit, and because the water is almost entirely underground, this temperature doesn't fluctuate much throughout the year. The mine shaft is exactly as it was left when last used, so the entrance is littered with materials, tools, and even barbed wire. The trained eye identifies all of these potential hazards to be avoided at all costs. This particular mine has had some minimal preparatory work done by the exploration team. But as usual, to discourage passers-by from venturing into the overhead environment, the cave lines only start well out of sight, and we need to tie our own line into the mine's main line. Once we are tied into the main line, we remain at a mostly consistent depth of about 11 to 12 meters, 37 to 40 feet. One of the benefits of mine diving over cave diving is that in some mines the layout is much more predictable and linear than in naturally formed caves. Of course, the same navigational considerations exist, and we never dive based on an assumption. In this particular mine, 3 similar tunnels depart outwards from a central chamber near the entrance shaft, all leading to a dead end with no side passages. All in all, a fairly simple layout. History enthusiasts like myself usually get a kick out of mine diving because it is a bit of a time capsule, littered with regional industrial history. As mentioned, many mines were permanently closed from one day to the next, with the majority of equipment and raw material simply abandoned, as the groundwater pumps were shut down. Pay special attention to the left side of the image here, and you may already notice a first indicator that this mine hides a distinct danger to divers. These particles are virtually neutrally buoyant, and the walls and floors are covered with them. Moreover, these mine shafts have almost zero flow, so suspended particles won't be easily cleared out by water movement. Once disturbed, they are here to stay.